All right, Beko embraces reduce, refurbish, and recycle. All right, you've heard of reduce, reuse, recycle. Beko has reduce, refurbish, recycle. That's the name of Beko's efforts to make everything more affordable and sustainable. Specifically, they accept returned appliances and give them new life. That's exciting. Some of their goals include extend product life cycles, reduce waste, make products more affordable. This seems like a win-win-win. Anthony, what are your thoughts?
I think this is a super cool program. I hope that it finds its way to the United States or to North America in general. It's a challenging program for sure. I'm sure it's fairly expensive to run, but ultimately it should pay for itself and be profitable. It's just going to take some time. So I think it's a really, really great idea, really, really great program. I'd like to see where this goes in time. And I could see if this does turn profitable for Beko, other manufacturers will pay attention to this and potentially take this big step, because appliances are really challenging to dispose of and recycle properly, and this could be the answer. John, what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, really credit where it's due, right? I mean, Beko just kind of showed everybody like really how Second Life should be done. You know, if you look at everything that's into this program, I mean, they've really taken refurb out of clearance centers where we normally see them, right? And they turn it more into almost like a trust product at this point, right? Because now we're talking about brand graded, serialized, warranted product, and you know it runs at a factory level instead of like kind of like those back rooms, right? I mean, so what Beko's model looks like here, at least from what I can tell, is that it's prior generation returns only, which is great. I mean, and they have a very clear A/B strategy with their gradings, right? And there's published criteria to go along with that. It's a brand warranty that's in writing. The pricing is actually held somewhere between 10 and 25%, I believe, of under current retail, which is super important to have that pricing structure in place because you're not cannibalizing your A-line at that point. And then, you know, you're selling through these approved dealers that they have normal delivery and install and service. So, I mean, honestly, in other words, it's kind of value without that whole kind of mystery headache that kind of follows suit with clearance. This isn't clearance product. So why this matters for the floor, and especially for North America when it does arrive, because I believe that it will, really, when you look at this, it's really cleanly serving almost three lanes for us, right? I mean, you have your value buyers for sure. You have sustainability buyers, right? And then you also have these project focused buyers. And you think about like multi-unit or rentals or flips, you know, it keeps these shoppers that otherwise probably wouldn't be in our ecosystem anymore. It keeps them inside instead of drifting to these kind of random open box outlets that they're using right now. So I think this is a great strategy.